So here we are today down at Kearney. Colin Burnside, by the way. I hope you're all keeping well at home. So I haven't been down here before, so we're going to have a look round. So Kearney is National Trust, and it has a red trail. This is the red trail going along here, and it has a seasonal trail which is 5.6 miles and has a fence. Kearney has some beautiful old houses, so we're going to take a look down at faces the Irish Sea. So we'll take you down and let you have a look. So there's different birds. Kearney, there's curlew, divers. And what's growing here are dandelion, white clover, red clover, and bird's foot trefoil. So this is some of the beautiful houses at Kearney. Quite charming. See the cobbles going up to the door of the house. So that's the Irish Sea out there, and I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but there's an oil tanker going up the Irish Sea. Now you'll not see it, but I can see it. But over there, just at the end of my fingers, actually the Isle of Man. So that's where the famous TT races are held every year. The Manx Grand Prix. That's where Michael Dunlop this year got his 29th TT win. He should have had 30, only for a visor problem. Apparently it was an RA technician that tried to connect the visor up. So as you can see, the daffodils are just coming out. See the dry stone wall. Hiya. See the beautiful wall, whitewashed wall, the whitewashed cottages. Cast iron downspouts. Coastal path towards Clocky, coastal path toward Knockendler End. Knockendler. I think it's actually Knockendler. See out in the distance there, you can see a lighthouse. There's those two ships in the distance. So this would be a great place to go while swimming bit too cold today. There's loads of wild swimming videos in my library, so all you have to do is scroll up and have a look. I'll probably put one either up here or up there later on, which I hope you enjoy. This is Kearney. Just give you a 365-degree view. Thanks very much for watching. That's it now. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's totally free. It means, and hit the bell for future notifications. It means that when I upload my next video, you'll be notified. Any comments, leave them down below. I'll see you in the next one. This is Colin Burnside saying bye bye.